Hello everyone, today we're reviewing a Pardot landing page template. This landing page is available at Driptly.com. This particular template is corporate and modern to help you promote your conference meeting or webinar. It features a logo placeholder to add your company logo. In this area, you can add pertinent details about your event and/or images. Here we have additional links up at the top. It features a vertical form, also a call to action to help you promote your event. This Pardot landing page is also optimized for mobile use. Let's take a look at how it looks on mobile. My name is Cynthia Rajendran and I'm the founder of Driptly.com. Driptly is a consulting firm that focuses on all things Salesforce and Pardot related. If you have any questions about this landing page or would like us to customize your own Pardot landing page, please email support@Driptly.com.